In this video, I'll be using group policy to deploy managed bookmarks for Google Chrome. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about installing policy templates for managing Google Chrome settings via group policy. And here you can see the objective for this video. I will be deploying a folder called Manage Bookmarks. Inside of that folder there will be a YouTube link. Also inside of the same folder there will be another folder called Search Engines with URLs for different types of search engines. Then we have a social media folder and also the links to social media sites. And the limitation for this method that we have to create a single root folder, and we can create only a single root folder, and then put all the links and other folders inside of it. And now I'll begin this video by going to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows Server environment. And here I will be creating my group policy, so I will go to Tools, Group Policy Management, I will right click on Group Policy Object, select New. I will name the policy Chrome Settings, then I will click OK, go to Group Policy Objects, select the policy that I created, and then I will right click on it and select Edit. And because I will be creating this policy for my computers, I will go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Google, and then Google Chrome. And then I will click anywhere and type Manage Bookmarks. And here we have the setting right here. I will click on it. Then I will enable the setting. And here we need to provide a JSON object with all the information about the bookmarks that we want to deploy. And for that I will go back to my GitHub page, because as you can see here I have this PowerShell snippet, and I will be using it to create the JSON object that is required for the group policy. And as you can see here we have the top level name, that's basically the root folder. I will call it Manage Bookmarks. Inside of it we have YouTube link, then we have other folders, search engine, and also social media folder with all the links inside of them. And now I'll click on the button right here to copy the PowerShell snippet. Then I will go back to my server. I go to Start menu and I will search for PowerShell in here. I will open it. I will insert the PowerShell snippet here, press Enter. And as you can see, it converted this PowerShell object into a JSON object in a single line. So I'll copy the value from here, go back to my policy, insert the value here, click Apply and OK. And that's basically it for configuring this setting. Now we can close this window. Let's go to Details, and for GPO status I will select User Configuration Settings Disabled, because currently this policy has only computer settings in it. And I will leave all other settings on default. Now after creating the policy we need to assign it to an organization unit that is holding the computers on which we want to deploy the settings. In my case the organization unit will be this one. It's called Computers and it has all the computers in my domain. I'll click and hold on the policy and then drag and drop it on that organization unit, and as you can see the policy setting appeared here and also in the list here. And that's basically it. Now to test this policy I will go to one of my client machines that I have here. I will open Google Chrome, and as you can see I don't have any bookmarks right now. And that's because even though I created the policy I didn't give it enough time to update on the client machines. So I'll do it manually, and for that I will go to my Start menu, search for CMD, I will open it. And here I will type update and press enter, and now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see the policy update was successful. If I go back to my Google Chrome, we have this folder right here called Manage Bookmarks. Inside of it we have the YouTube link, search engines folder with all the search engines, social media folder with all the social media links. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.